service. We can repair anything related to your MacBook, notebook, and phone, such as upgrade or replace equipment or fix motherboard by professional and specialized technicians. Our shop has many branches in Bangkok. If you have any problem about your device, you can contact us. You can search for location for the website or Google Maps My IT service. Lastly, if you have any problem about your MacBook, notebook, or phone, don't forget to contact Smile IT service. Bye!